Welcome back to our channel. If you love discovering smart home gadgets that make life easier, you're in the right place. Today we're checking out some helpful products that can upgrade your home, your daily routine, and your comfort. All product links are in the description, so feel free to explore anything you like. Let's get started. Qrevo CurvX Robot Vacuum. It's built for people who want clean floors without lifting a finger. The zero tangling brush design keeps hair from getting stuck, which makes it great for homes with pets. Its reactive AI helps it move around obstacles, so it doesn't crash into furniture or get stuck under chairs. The Adaptalift chassis adjusts to different floor surfaces to keep cleaning efficient. It also washes and dries its mop pads using hot water, which saves time and keeps things hygienic. If you're tired of dragging out your mop every week, this little machine can handle the work for you. Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. It's perfect if you're always busy and want warm meals on the go. Instead of using a microwave, you simply plug it in and let it heat your food gently. It holds up to 20 ounces, which is a good amount for lunch. The design keeps food from spilling, so it's easy to carry in a bag. Once you're done eating, the container is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick. Whether you're traveling, at work, or on the road, this gadget lets you enjoy warm, home-cooked food anywhere without hassle. Mancra Solar Pathway Lights. They're a simple way to brighten up your yard, walkway, or garden without wiring or electricity. Each light charges during the day and turns on automatically at night. The metal and glass build gives them a premium look and helps them survive rain, heat, and snow. Since they come in a pack of 8, you can line your entire path or mix them around the lawn. They add a warm glow that makes outdoor spaces feel more inviting. If you want brighter walkways, better visibility, or garden lighting that doesn't raise your power bill, these lights do the job well. Rubbermaid Brilliance Storage Containers. They're great for storing leftovers, meal prep, or snacks. The lids lock tightly, which helps prevent spills and keeps food fresh longer. The clear material lets you see exactly what's inside without opening each container. They're stain-resistant and won't absorb odors, which keeps them looking new. You can use them in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, so they fit easily into everyday cooking. Whether you pack lunches or organize your fridge, these containers make everything cleaner and more efficient. They're durable, stack neatly, and help keep your kitchen clutter-free. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. It's a classic kitchen tool that makes baking smoother and more enjoyable. The 5-quart bowl is big enough for large batches of dough, batter, or cream. The tilt-head design makes it easy to add ingredients or switch attachments. Whether you're mixing cake batter or kneading bread, it handles the heavy work for you. It also works with a wide range of attachments, so you can make pasta, mashed potatoes, or even homemade ice cream. If you want consistent results and less effort in the kitchen, this mixer is one of the best upgrades you can make. HEPA Air Purifier for Home. It's made for large rooms and helps clean the air you breathe. The HEPA filter traps dust, pollen, smoke, and other tiny particles that can cause allergies. The UVC light adds another layer of cleaning by targeting germs. It also helps reduce odors, which is useful if you have pets or cook often. The purifier runs quietly, so you can keep it on while sleeping or working. If you want fresher indoor air and a cleaner environment at home, this purifier makes a noticeable difference without needing much maintenance. Qrevo Hot and Iced Coffee Maker. It lets you brew a single cup or a full carafe, so it works for both busy mornings and family use. The special multi-stream technology extracts flavor more evenly, giving your coffee a richer taste. You can also make iced coffee, which is great on warm days. The water reservoir is shared for both brewing styles, so it doesn't take up extra space. It works with grounds and pods, giving you plenty of choices. If you want a machine that handles different coffee needs without complicating your routine, this one fits well. Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. It's designed to clean hard floors by using steam and rotating pads together. The steam helps loosen dirt, while the scrubbing pads remove tough spots quickly. The mop sanitizes as it cleans, which is helpful if you have kids or pets playing on the floor. The LED headlights make it easier to spot dust and crumbs. The included pads are soft and easy to wash, so you can reuse them many times. If you want deeper cleaning without chemicals, this mop gives your floors a fresh shine with less effort. Air Purifier for Home Pets. It's built for bedrooms and medium to large rooms where pet dander and odors can collect. The HEPA filter captures pet hair, dust, smoke, pollen, and other things that affect air quality. The 15 decibel sleep mode makes it almost silent at night. It also includes a fragrance sponge where you can add a light scent to freshen the room. The timer helps you control how long it runs, which saves energy. If you own pets and want cleaner air without constant noise, this purifier keeps the room comfortable and fresh throughout the day. Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. It stands out because it comes with glass containers and lids, which makes meal prep simple and cleaner. You can cook, store, reheat, freeze, and even microwave in the same containers. The non-toxic design is great for anyone who avoids coated cookware. It cooks food evenly while keeping it crispy on the outside and soft inside. The 6 modes give you flexibility for frying, baking, reheating, and more. If you're trying to save time in the kitchen and reduce dishes, this air fryer makes everyday meals faster and more convenient while keeping flavors strong. Lasko Oscillating Ceramic Tower Heater. It's a solid choice for staying warm during colder months, especially in large rooms. The oscillation helps spread heat around the space instead of warming just one corner. You can adjust the thermostat to your comfort level and set a timer to control how long it runs. The remote makes it easy to change settings without getting up. It's designed with safety features like overheat protection, which adds peace of mind. Whether you're working, watching TV, or sleeping, this heater keeps the room cozy without making noise or taking up much floor space. Height-adjustable electric standing desk. It's ideal if you want to switch between sitting and standing while working. With electric height control, you can raise or lower the desk smoothly to find the level that feels right. The memory settings let you save your favorite positions, so you don't have to adjust every time. The 2-piece desktop gives it a clean look and enough space for monitors, laptops, and accessories. Working while standing can help reduce back tension and improve focus. If you spend long hours at a computer, this desk makes your workspace more comfortable and more flexible. Ninja Knife Set with Block and Sharpener. It includes everything from chef knives to steak knives, all made with strong stainless steel. They feel balanced in the hand and cut smoothly through vegetables, meats, and fruits. The built-in sharpener in the block keeps the blades ready every time you pull one out, so you don't need separate tools. Each knife is designed to stay sharp longer, even with daily use. Whether you're chopping, slicing, or prepping ingredients for a big meal, this set gives you the right tool for each job. It's a reliable upgrade if you want knives that perform well and stay sharp. L-shaped modern modular sofa. It's designed for comfort and flexibility, which makes it great for living rooms, apartments, and shared spaces. The deep seats and soft chenille fabric make it a relaxing spot for watching movies or hosting friends. Since it's modular, you can rearrange the pieces to fit your room layout, and the ottoman adds extra seating or a place to rest your feet. The cushions stay supportive without sinking too much. If you want a couch that looks modern, feels cozy, and adapts to different room sizes, this sectional is a strong fit for everyday use. Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker. It's great for families or anyone who likes making meals without spending hours in the kitchen. You can add your ingredients in the morning, set the temperature, and come back later to a warm, ready-to-eat dish. The large size works well for soups, meats, casseroles, and party meals. The simple dial makes it easy to use, even if you're new to slow cooking. The removable stoneware pot is dishwasher safe, which helps with cleanup. If you enjoy tender, flavorful meals with minimal effort, this slow cooker gives consistent results and saves time on busy days. Rotary Cheese Grater Hand Crank. It's a handy kitchen tool for shredding cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more in seconds. You load the ingredients, turn the handle, and the sharp drum blades do the rest. It keeps your fingers safe compared to traditional graters. The suction base helps it stay in place while you crank, so it doesn't slide around on the counter. It's quick to take apart and wash, making it convenient for everyday cooking. If you want faster prep when making salads, toppings, or snacks, this grater gives smooth results without much effort.